my channel. So today I have a spot from Trish Smith. We had a spot on, what's it called? Crafty manipulators, and we had a crack kit, and she was my partner. And this is what she sent to me. It's open. I'm gonna get out the goodies she sent to me and show it to y'all. So here's my card she sent to me. Oh, she has like a little banner here decorated. And she made it in purple. And here she has some purple lace here and some jewels here. And it says thanks. You're welcome, Trish. So, it's a pretty card she sent. And she has it in this blue paper, and she has this funness right here. It's in pink. So, put this to the side here. So the first thing she sent me is let's go this way, is some butterflies and some washi. And I think I'm going to open this up here. Take it out. That butterfly is so cute. So yes, she has some washi. And then she sent me some jewel drops, some colorful jewel drops. And then she sent me some little beads, words. And then she sent me some like gem, or I think you call them or sticker back gems in purple. Everything you did was supposed to coordinate. So it was like a crack kit like that you would think you would get. And here she sent me some glitter with some what are these called? Oh my god, when I get on the camera my mind goes blank. I'm pretty sure it happens to other people. These are sequins, that's what they are. Some sequins to match with it. She also sent me some paper rosettes. And she sent me some pretty flowers. These flowers are so cute. She sent me some pink ones and some like turquoise greens and some white flowers. She also sent me some lace, some white lace, and some yellow, white lace and pink lace. This is so cute. I'm gonna have fun playing with this kit. And then here, she sent me some white bows, some yellow bows, and these some purple bows and some pink bows and some teal bows. And these are all like made with tulle. And I like this like a type of like a pastel. It's not girly, and it's just right. And then she sent me some jewels, different sizes jewels. That's a bad Tupperware. And then she sent me some cut aparts from the collection. So, put it open here. This one says, "Life is magic with you." Yay. This one has circles. This one has like notes. This one is like has a flower in the center. I love this paper. And this one has like a flower with some silver holographics. And this has some silver on it. And this one has like some silver pinkish. This is really fun. I really love this paper that she picked out. Back in here. And then she sent me some doilies. These are paper doilies. And then she sent me the paper pad. Dream in Color. And Don't Forget. Beautiful Soul. This has notes on there. This one has some colorful flowers. This is some more flowers. This is some colored flowers in purple. These are some like flowers like this is like a ombre. This is what they call paper, like a ombre type of paper. That's what you call it. And there's some yellow texture ombre, some purple ombre, and then here's some silver, and you can color these. Or you can leave it like this and still be cute. Some more of these. And then here's some plain colors like purple. Oh yeah. And then she gave me like a ombre, like tealish green to ombre purple. And then here's some more different ombre colors. And then here's like the purplish ones. Some more like a darker version. And then here's some teal ones. And some more. I know this is the same. Thank you, Trish. So this is my craft kit. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.